If you've ever wanted to trade Deriv, Binance, or MetaTrader 5 without sitting at your screen for 10 hours a day, watching candles, second-guessing every entry, this video is for you. I'm going to show you BitnovaTrader, a desktop application that automates trading across 3 platforms from one unified interface. No coding. No subscriptions to 5 different tools. Just one app, your broker accounts, and a system that actually explains its reasoning before it places a trade. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it does, how the strategies work, and how to get it running on your own computer in under 15 minutes. Let's get into it. Most retail traders lose money for the same 3 reasons. 1. Emotional decisions. You see a green candle, you panic buy. You see red, you panic sell. 2. Inconsistent execution. Even with a solid strategy, manually placing 50 trades a day with the exact same discipline every single time is almost impossible for a human. 3. No real edge. A lot of bots on the market are glorified random number generators wrapped in a flashy interface. They don't analyze anything, they just fire blindly and hope the odds work out. BitnovaTrader was built to solve all 3. It removes emotion completely. It executes with identical discipline on every single trade. And critically, it actually analyzes the market before deciding anything. BitnovaTrader connects to 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the world, all from a single desktop app. First, Binance. Spot and futures trading, with support for demo, testnet, and live accounts. You can run multiple strategies: EMA plus RSI trend following, MACD crossover momentum, Bollinger Band mean reversion, and stochastic RSI, all configurable, all with adjustable risk settings. Second, Deriv. This is where things get interesting, and I'll spend the most time here because it's the most advanced part of the system. Deriv gives you access to volatility indices that trade 24/7, plus traditional rise and fall contracts on synthetic markets. Third, MetaTrader 5. If you already have an MT5 account with a Forex or CFD broker, BitnovaTrader connects directly to it and can run algorithmic strategies on your existing setup. 3 platforms. 1 login screen each. 1 dashboard to monitor all of them. Here's what makes this bot different from almost everything else on the market. Most Deriv bots, and I mean almost all of them, trade on digit statistics. They look at the last number of a price tick and bet on whether the next one will be higher, lower, odd, or even. That's essentially betting on a random number generator. There's no real market structure being analyzed. BitnovaTrader does something fundamentally different with its price action engine. It builds real 1-minute and 5-minute candlestick charts directly from the live tick stream, the same way a professional trader would read a chart. Then it runs 10 separate technical analysis checks on every single candle close. Number 1, trend direction, using a triple exponential moving average system, the 9, 21, and 50-period EMAs. Number 2, support and resistance. It scans recent price swings to find where the market has previously reversed. Number 3, order blocks. This is institutional-style analysis, identifying the last opposing candle before a strong directional move, the same concept professional traders use to find high-probability reversal zones. Number 4, candlestick patterns, bullish and bearish engulfing candles, hammers, shooting stars, morning stars, evening stars. Real chart patterns, detected automatically. Number 5, RSI, is the market overbought or oversold? Number 6, MACD, is momentum building or fading? Number 7, Bollinger Bands, is price stretched too far from its average? Number 8, volume confirmation, is the move backed by real participation? Number 9, multi-time frame alignment, does the 5-minute trend agree with the 1-minute setup? And number 10, break of structure, has price broken a key swing high or low, signaling a genuine shift in market direction? Every one of these 10 checks contributes a score. The bot only places a trade when the combined confidence reaches 80% or higher. Below that threshold, it simply waits. No trade. No guessing. And here's the part most bots don't have, it tells you why. Every single trade comes with a full breakdown in the live log, which signals fired, what the confidence score was, and what contract it's placing. You're not trading blind, and you're not trusting a black box. Now here's where it goes one step further. Every single trade the bot places, win or lose, gets recorded with its full feature set: the velocity, the streak length, the RSI value, the volatility, the digit bias, the market regime. All of it gets saved. As that history grows, the bot starts comparing new setups against everything it's seen before. It finds the 50 most similar historical trades and asks a simple question. When conditions looked like this in the past, what actually happened? That historical win rate gets blended with a live technical score to produce a final, adaptive confidence number. The more it trades, the smarter its filtering becomes. This isn't a static rulebook, it's a system that builds its own track record and uses it. It also tracks performance per strategy. Every 50 trades, it prints a leaderboard right in the log, showing you exactly which strategy is performing best in current conditions. You always know what's working and what isn't. A strategy is only as good as the risk management around it, so let's talk about that. Adaptive position sizing. The higher the confidence score on a setup, the larger the stake, within limits you set. Lower confidence trades get smaller stakes automatically. You're not betting the same amount on a great setup and a mediocre one. Recovery mode. After a losing streak, the bot doesn't just keep firing at the same threshold. It raises the bar, requiring a much higher confidence score before it will take another trade, until performance stabilizes. Daily loss limits and daily profit targets. Set a dollar amount for both. Hit your stop loss for the day, the bot shuts down and waits for tomorrow. Hit your profit target, same thing, it locks in the win instead of giving it back chasing more.
If you wanna trade without staring all day, BitnovaBot trader keeps it moving your way. Deriv Binance and MT5, one desktop app to keep it alive. No coding needed, no scattered tabs, just your broker accounts and a smarter path. It shows you why before it goes, clear enough to trust when the pressure grows. BitnovaBot trader, one app, 3 platforms. BitnovaBot trader, clean rules, clear reasons. BitnovaBot trader, trade with discipline. BitnovaBot trader, built to explain it. Binance spotting futures, demo or live. Testnet ready when you wanna try EMA and RSI. Meet lady in line, Deriv and stochastic all in one design. Deriv runs deeper, 24/7. Rise and fall on some pairs with smarter decisions. MT5 connects to the account you own. One dashboard view to keep you in control. You see the signal, you see the logic, not a blind guess, not a magic trick. BitnovaBot trader, one app, 3 platforms. BitnovaBot trader, clean rules, clear reasons. BitnovaBot trader, trade with discipline. BitnovaBot trader, built to explain it. It cuts the noise, it cuts the doubt. It keeps the same plan when the market swings out. No emotional chase, no rushed reaction, just a simple system with focused action. BitnovaBot trader, one app, 3 platforms. BitnovaBot trader, clean rules, clear reasons. BitnovaBot trader, trade with discipline. BitnovaBot trader, built to explain it. Get it running on your own machine. Fast setup, clear screen, clean. BitnovaBot trader, one app, 3 platforms. BitnovaBot trader, trade with confidence.
If you wanna trade without staring all day, BitnovaBot trader keeps it moving your way. Deriv, Binance, and MT5 You see the signal, you see the logic, not a blind guess, not a magic trick. Bitnova Trader, one app, 3 platforms. Bitnova Trader, clean rules, clear reasons. Bitnova Trader, trade with discipline. Bitnova Trader, built to explain it. It cuts the noise, it cuts the doubt. It keeps the same plan when the market swings out. No emotional chase, no rush reaction, just a simple system with focused action. Bitnova Trader, one app, 3 platforms. Bitnova Trader, clean rules, clear reasons. Bitnova Trader, trade with discipline. Bitnova Trader, built to explain it. Get it running on your own machine. Fast setup, clear screen, clean. Bitnova Trader, one app, 3 platforms. Bitnova Trader, trade with confidence.
If you wanna trade without staring all day, Bitnova Trader keeps it moving your way. Deriv, Binance, and MT5, one desktop app to keep it alive. No coding needed, no scattered tabs, just your broker accounts and a smarter path. It shows you why before it goes clear enough to trust when the pressure grows. Bitnova Trader, one app, 3 platforms. Bitnova Trader, clean rules, clear reasons. Bitnova Trader, trade with discipline. Bitnova Trader, built to explain it. Binance spotting futures, demo or live. Testnet ready when you wanna try EMA and RSI. Meet Lady in line, Deriv and stochastic all in one design. Deriv runs deeper, 24/7. Rise and fall on some pairs with smarter decisions. MT5 connects to the account you own. One dashboard view to keep you in control. You see the signal, you see the logic, not a blind guess, not a magic trick. Bitnova Trader, one app, 3 platforms. Bitnova Trader, clean rules, clear reasons. Bitnova Trader, trade with discipline. Bitnova Trader, built to explain it. It cuts the noise, it cuts the doubt. It keeps the same plan when the market swings out. No emotional chase, no rushed reaction, just a simple system with focused action. Bitnova Trader, one app, 3 platforms. Bitnova Trader, clean rules, clear reasons. Bitnova Trader, trade with discipline. Bitnova Trader, built to explain it. Get it running on your own machine. Fast setup, clear screen, clean. Bitnova Trader, one app, 3 platforms. Bitnova Trader, trade with confidence.
If you wanna trade without staring all day, Bitnova Trader keeps it moving your way. Deriv, Binance, and MT5 You see the signal, you see the logic, not a blind guess, not a magic trick. Bitnova Trader, one app, 3 platforms. Bitnova Trader, clean rules, clear reasons. Bitnova Trader, trade with discipline. Bitnova Trader, built to explain it. It cuts the noise, it cuts the doubt. It keeps the same plan when the market swings out. No emotional chase, no rush reaction, just the